Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? And this strategy works on the 50-minute time frame. It also works on the 5-minute time frame, as you can see here, right? So without wasting much of our time, I'll quickly explain how the strategy works, and then after that, I'll be explaining how to set it up, okay? So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. All right, make sure you watch the video to the end because they are vital informations you don't want to miss. Okay, so now this is how you trade with the strategy. All right, now you can see the indicator window here. All right, now you see this red line here. All right, whenever you see that it has crossing below this our 32 level here and down to the stage where it touches this green line below. All right, now whenever it touches the green line, it means that you can now buy. All right, this is trying to give you the signal that you can buy to the upside. Right now, when it touches this level, all right, you don't just buy immediately. All right, you wait for one more condition, all right, now, which is the break above the black line on the main chart. All right, so you can see this black moving average here on the main chart. All right, you wait for the candlestick, you wait for a candlestick to break above it. Right now, it needs to break and then close above this area here. All right, this is where you take your buy. All right, so you wait for it to close around this area here, and then your stop loss is going to be the most recent structure, either around this place, or you can take it below this structure here in order to be safe. All right, then your TP is going to be the most recent structure the market made, all right, which is going to be around somewhere here. All right, so this is how you take trades using this strategy. All right, so this is how it works. Or you can decide to use this area, the indicator, to identify your TP, which is allowing it to get to the 68 level here. Then you close, or you wait for it to touch this red line here on the upside, all right, which is the overbought level here, all right, before you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, so that's how you take a buy entry with using this strategy. Okay, now let me show you guys a sell example again. Now you can see when price got to the 68 zone here, right, this line here, you wait for it to touch this red line above. All right, so whenever it touch this red line, it means that price has extremely gone to the overbought level. All right, and touching this here, it means that it's going to reverse. All right, it's going to reverse. All right, now as you can see, it forms something like an M pattern here, all right, which is indicating a sell signal. All right, now the final condition, just like I explained earlier, is for you to wait for this candlestick here to break and close below our moving average. All right, and then the safest place for you to place your stop loss is going to be below that structure. All right, so you place it here, or you place it above here in order to be safe. Then your TP, like I said earlier, is going to be around somewhere here, or you can place it here. All right, whichever one you are comfortable with. All right, or you can use the indicator as your TP area. All right, you can wait for this red line here to get to this level of 32 area, or you wait for it to get to the green level before you exit the market. All right, so it's as simple as that. All right, that's how simple the strategy is. Okay, so with that being said, I don't want the video to be too long. All right, I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator. All right, so that you are going to set it up and then practice with this strategy. Okay, don't just go in after setting it up and start trading with your real account. Okay, you need to demo trade it for like a week or two, or you back test it to see the result over time. All right, before you can start trading with your hard-earned money. Okay, so before I share the setup, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy. All right, those of you that trade boom and crash, you already know what I'm talking about. All right, so this strategy I'm talking about is designed for boom and crash. All right, it's designed for boom and crash. Now this is boom and crash right here. All right, so the strategy I'm talking about is designed for boom and crash. Even if you're a beginner, you can use it to grow your small account. All right, you can use it to grow as little as a $5 account on boom and crash. All right, and It doesn't matter even if you're a beginner or not. All right, with this strategy I'm talking about, you'll be able to grow as little as a $5 account. Right, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so that's it for that. All right, now for setting this strategy up, this is what you have to do. You click on this F icon here. Right, so after clicking on the F icon, you search for the moving average, which is our first indicator here. So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your moving average. Now the period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color black, you make it 3 pixel, then you click on done. All right, that's when you are going to have this black line here on your chart. Right, now the next indicator is the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our level. So you click on this main plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index, you make the period 1, apply to its close. The levels, you make it 32 and 68. The color is red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. You make the style, the color of your background 1 pixel, you click on done. All right, so the next one is the envelope. So you are going to click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon now, then you search for your envelope. Right, so these are the properties for the envelope. The period is 1, shift is 0, deviation 6.000. Right, the method is smoothed, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, the upper band, you make it color red. All right, which is going to give you the sell signal, and then the lower band, you make it color green, which is going to be giving you the buy signals. Right, so after that you click on done. Right, that's it for the first envelope. Now you click on the main the indicator window here again, and then you search for your second envelope. All right, the period is 1, shift is 0, deviation is 0.008. Method is smoothed, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Upper band, you make it color green, lower band, you make it color red. Right, 3 pixel for the both of them. Right, then you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, so that's how to set it up. Okay, so I think that's going to be the end of this video. All right, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe. All right, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, and if you're watching from TikTok, please make sure to search my channel on YouTube. All right, TruthFX. All right, make sure to subscribe. All right, and also follow me on TikTok. Okay, and for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, as you can see, the link is in the bio, all right, of this video. And if you are watching from YouTube, the link is in the description of this video. All right, to make sure to subscribe. All right, join the Telegram channel so that you get free signals on daily basics and also trading tips that will help you become profitable in the long run. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.